Just now we have studied about our circulatory system and known that it regulates the flow of blood, oxygen and important nutrients in our body. Now the second and the last important organ system of our body is excretory system. What is excretory system and what are their organs and what does it do, how does it functions in our body? Let's see. Excretory system is that system which helps in the elimination and excretion of waste product or harmful product from our body. There are certain harmful products in our body which are very dangerous, so they need to be eliminated or excreted from our body. So there is a system or a network of organs in our body which consists of kidneys. There are 2 kidneys in our body, then ureter and urinary bladder. These 3 organs of our excretory system helps in the elimination of waste products from our body. And how does it do? Let's see. This is the diagram of a kidney which is also there in your book. You can go through it. There are 2 kidneys and the main function of these 2 bean-shaped kidney is to clean the blood. They clean the major important function of kidney is to clean the blood. After cleaning the blood, they send and after cleaning the blood, the waste product formed is urine. That urine is sent by kidney through ureter to the urinary bladder. So understand it properly. The main function of our kidney, there are 2 kidneys in our body. One is at the left side and one is in the right side, and their main function is to clean the blood. After cleaning the blood, what is the waste product form is urine. They send that urine through this ureter pipe. There are 2 pipes attached with our kidney to the urinary bladder. Through ureter, that urine comes and stores in the urinary bladder, and till the time it is passed out of our body. So the function of kidney as well as the excretory system is very easy. They clean our body and helps in the removal of waste product from our body. And one more important function, important thing related to excretory system is, in our body there are 3 types of organs which are involved in the excretion of waste product from our body. Those 3 organs are lungs, skin and kidney. The function of kidney we have discussed just now. The lungs, they also eliminate the waste from our body in the form of carbon dioxide which is thrown out of the body. That is also a waste product, waste gas. And skin, you all very well know, through sweat, skin also eliminate the waste product from our body. So I hope the excretory system is clear to all of you.